This is the Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni. And according to Ecovacs, it's one of the smartest robot vacuums they've ever built. It promises powerful suction, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a design that finally tackles one of the biggest robot vacuum frustrations, cleaning right up against edges and corners. But after spending time with it in real-world conditions, pet hair, kitchen crumbs, rugs and all, I discovered a few things the marketing materials don't exactly emphasize. So, is this the robot vacuum to beat in 2026, or is it just another expensive cleaning gadget? Let's find out. Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni is a premium robot vacuum and mop combo from Ecovacs, designed for homeowners who want a mostly hands-off cleaning experience. It sits in the upper end of the robot vacuum market and competes directly with models from Roborock, Dream, and iRobot. Its biggest selling point is the unique ultra-slim square front design. Unlike traditional round robot vacuums that often miss debris in corners, the X5 Omni is specifically engineered to clean edges more effectively. Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is where the X5 Omni shines. The first thing you'll notice is how aggressively it cleans along walls and furniture edges. Most robot vacuums leave a thin strip of dust behind because their circular shape can't physically reach into tight corners. The X5 Omni's redesigned front edge noticeably improves coverage. On hardwood floors, it picked up everything from fine dust to cereal crumbs without much effort. In the kitchen, it handled scattered coffee grounds and rice surprisingly well. Carpet performance is also impressive. The high suction power allows it to pull debris from deeper within carpet fibers, and it automatically boosts suction when it detects rugs. If you have pets, that's particularly useful because pet hair tends to embed itself into carpet. Navigation is another highlight. The robot moves confidently around furniture, avoids most common obstacles, and rarely gets confused. During testing, it successfully navigated around shoes, power cords, and pet toys without constantly requiring rescue. The mopping performance is solid too. It won't replace a deep manual scrub, but for everyday maintenance cleaning, it does a great job removing footprints, light stains, and dust buildup. Features and tech. Let's talk about some standout features, because this is where Ecovacs is clearly trying to differentiate itself. First is the square front edge cleaning design. This sounds simple, but it's actually a big deal. Traditional robot vacuums struggle with corners due to their circular bodies. The X5 Omni's shape allows it to get closer to walls and reach areas many competitors simply miss. Second is the Omni Station. This docking station automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, dries them with hot air, and refills water when needed. The benefit here isn't just convenience, it's consistency. The robot stays ready to clean without you constantly managing it. Third is AI-powered obstacle avoidance. The system identifies common household objects and adjusts its path accordingly. That means fewer stuck robots and fewer interrupted cleaning sessions. And finally, there's the intelligent carpet handling. Design and build. Aesthetically, Ecovacs knocked it out of the park. The X5 Omni looks modern, premium, and surprisingly sleek for a robot vacuum. The lower profile design helps it slide under furniture, where some competitors struggle. The square front shape doesn't just improve cleaning performance, it also gives the vacuum a distinctive appearance that stands out from the sea of circular robot vacuums. Build quality feels excellent throughout. Nothing rattles, the dock feels sturdy, and the materials don't feel cheap. Battery life. Battery life is strong enough for most homes. The X5 Omni can clean large floor plans on a single charge and intelligently returns to the dock when necessary. If it runs low during a cleaning session, it recharges and resumes where it left off. Maintenance is also refreshingly minimal. Thanks to automatic dust collection, mop washing, and drying functions, you're spending far less time managing the vacuum compared to older robot models. Pros. Excellent edge and corner cleaning performance. Strong suction on both hard floors and carpets. Outstanding Omni docking station automation. Cons. Premium pricing puts it out of reach for some buyers. Mopping is great for maintenance, but not deep scrubbing. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're someone who values convenience, has pets, kids, or simply hates vacuuming, The Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni is one of the most capable robot vacuums available right now. Its edge cleaning performance genuinely solves a long-standing weakness in robot vacuums. Combined with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and one of the best self-maintaining dock systems on the market, it delivers an experience that feels remarkably close to fully automated floor care. However, if you're on a tighter budget or live in a smaller apartment, there are more affordable options that deliver 80 to 90% of the cleaning performance for significantly less money.